In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make asterisk in Canva. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. You can use any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the search results appear, look for the official Canva website link. It typically shows up at the top of the search results. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are accessing the legitimate site. Clicking on unofficial links can lead to security risks. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. You will see the Canva homepage load, providing you with a welcoming interface designed for creativity. Next, you will need to log into your Canva account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the prompts. It is essential to log in to save your work and access all your designs later. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Canva dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now you can either open an existing Canva sheet or create a new one. To open an existing sheet, simply click on the design you want from your dashboard. Alternatively, if you want to start fresh, look for the Create a Design button. Click on it to open a new canvas. This step is important because it sets the foundation for your work. Whether you are modifying an existing design or starting from scratch, selecting the right canvas is key. Once you have made your choice, your workspace will be ready for you to dive into your creative process. After that, click anywhere on your Canvas workspace. This action is necessary to ensure that your selections and changes are applied to the right area. Once you click, you will see the canvas area become active, signaling that you are ready to add elements to your design. This step marks the beginning of your creative journey, providing a space where your ideas can take shape. Remember, this workspace is where all your creative elements will come together, so make sure you are comfortable with it. Next up, press the T key on your keyboard to instantly spawn a new text box. This shortcut is a fantastic time saver. It allows you to add text to your design quickly without navigating through menus. Once you press the T key, a new text box will appear on your canvas, ready for you to enter your text. This feature is particularly useful for those who prefer a streamlined workflow. You will see the text box appear, and it's now time to add your content. Finally, hold Shift and press the 8 key on your keyboard. This key combination will create an asterisk symbol. This symbol can be used in various ways in your design, whether as a bullet point or a decorative element. Understanding how to quickly insert characters like this enhances your design flexibility. You will see the asterisk appear in your text box. This small step can significantly impact your design, allowing for more creativity and personalization. With these steps completed, you are well on your way to mastering the fundamentals of Canva. Remember, practice is key, and each time you use these shortcuts, you will become faster and more efficient. Enjoy your design journey.